Okay, here we go. So you can see the view you saw before. Mill Casino Hotel and Resort over there. And then this takes us over towards the rest of the resort property. And you can see east side in the background and the side of the house. Alrighty, we'll go back towards the front door. That's a stairway up to the street. And okay, there's the far edge of the house. And here we go. 385 Wall in North Bend. All right. Hi, I'm Rachel. Okay, thanks. Alrighty, so here we go into the entryway, and off to the right looks like the first bedroom, and it smells really clean, really nice. Closet here. Even from this bedroom, you've got a lovely view. And back out immediately to the left is a kitchen. Again, everything smells really, really clean. Everything looks really nice. I'm not seeing the light switch. Okay, there we go. Stove, nice. Sink, nice unit. Big refrigerator. All right, your living space, pretty good size living room, and wood burning stove, and one of the little stoves that's probably tenant owned. All right, and divider up, making an office area, and again that looks out into the front yard. All right, next bedroom, really cool music room. As you can see over in the corner, it's got French door there going outside, and a pretty good sized closet. All right, so hi. Okay.
I have a scaredy cat in here.
So okay.
It's a mirror
so this
image
is our
of the other bedroom.
Okay.
Except for the windows.
And a pretty kitty, nice room and a closet, and again, view of the bay. Alrighty, and where's the bathroom?
Oh, it's right when you first came.